The outer motion falls away. The senses soften slow. Attention turns to quieter fields where subtle meanings flow. Behind each word, each chosen act, a deeper current moves, not seen by sight or sound alone, but known when mind attunes. Through focused awareness, calm and clear, the hidden shape is shown. The meaning underneath the form, the seed from which it's grown. Not surface sound, not outer sign, but essence softly drawn, where thought and purpose meet as one, and deeper truth moves on. Starts with trust in something more than what the eyes can see. A quiet faith the mind can learn to rest in clarity. Energy aligns with steady aim. The will begins its part. Old images dissolve their hold and free the listening heart. Through focused awareness, calm and clear, the hidden shape is shown. The meaning underneath the form, the seed from which it's grown. Not surface sound, not outer sign, but essence softly drawn, where thought and purpose meet as one, and deeper truth moves on. Memory releases what once bound, the weight of former view. Meditation weaves the threads of insight felt as true. Perception sharpens into light, aligned with what is real. No guessing left, no force applied, only what can be revealed. From trust to effort, clear and slow, from focus into sight, awareness learns to recognize what stands beyond the light. A knowing born of quiet mind.